How to block random calls on WhatsApp iPhone. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Now, scroll through and find the Privacy option. Once you find it, tap on it. Over here you will get to see many privacy settings options. Scroll down and tap on the Calls option. After that, turn on Silence Unknown Callers. Now, if you've already received random calls, tap on the Calls option from the bottom panel. Find the unknown number and tap on the eye icon on the right side of it. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Block option. Then, from the pop-up, tap on Block again to confirm. You won't be getting calls from this number anymore. Following these steps, you can easily block random calls on WhatsApp iPhone.